Ever hear the myth about how eating carrots will enhance your vision? Or that you should never ever eat after 8 p.m. if you care about your waistline? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into 5 popular food myths, separating fact from fiction. From sugar-fueled kids to the great fresh versus frozen debate, these myths have led us astray for too long. So grab a snack, maybe not a carrot just yet, and let's get started. Myth 1. Eating carrots improves your vision. This myth actually stems from World War II. British propaganda claimed their pilots had super eyesight thanks to eating carrots, but the truth? They were just hiding the invention of radar. While carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A for healthy eyes, they won't turn you into a night vision superhero. For that, you'd need a whole truckload of carrots, and probably some X-Men powers. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that while vitamin A supports eye health, it doesn't enhance vision beyond normal capabilities. So, enjoy your carrots for their crunch and their health benefits, but don't expect them to help you see through walls. Myth 2. You shouldn't eat after 8 p.m. Many of us have heard that late-night snacking is a surefire way to gain weight. But here's the truth. It's not about when you eat. It's about how much you eat overall. The idea that the clock determines how your body processes food is outdated. It's more about your total caloric intake and activity levels throughout the day. So if you find yourself reaching for a midnight snack, don't stress, just keep it balanced. Myth 3. Sugar makes kids hyperactive. While it's tempting to blame candy for your child's impromptu living room dance party, science tells a different story. A meta-analysis in the Journal of the American Medical Association found no significant effects of sugar on children's behavior or cognition. Numerous studies also show no direct link between sugar consumption and hyperactivity. So what's really happening? Excitement, the party atmosphere, and even parental expectations can fuel the frenzy. Kids often eat sweets in fun environments, birthday parties, holidays, snack time, celebrations, and as dessert, for examples. The next time your little one is bouncing off the furniture, remember, it's probably not the cupcake. It's the excitement. Myth 4. Fresh produce is always healthier than frozen. Frozen fruits and veggies are often just as nutritious, if not more so. Research in food chemistry shows that frozen produce retains comparable and sometimes higher levels of nutrients compared to fresh produce stored for several days. Freezing locks in nutrients at their peak ripeness, whereas fresh produce may lose vitamins during transport and storage. Plus, frozen options are more convenient. No chopping, peeling, or rushing to eat them before they spoil. You might forget about the fresh broccoli in the fridge, while the broccoli in your freezer is ready for cooking. So the next time you hit the grocery store, don't skip the freezer aisle. Those veggies are here to save the day. Myth 5. Eating eggs raises cholesterol levels. For years, eggs were labeled as cholesterol villains, but recent studies have cleared their name. Dietary cholesterol, like the kind found in eggs, has little effect on blood cholesterol for most people. The real culprits? Saturated and trans fats. So go ahead and enjoy your eggs without guilt. They're packed with protein, vitamins, and healthy fats that your body loves. Today, we busted 5 of the biggest food myths, from carrots and better vision to eggs and cholesterol. These strange beliefs have been around for ages, but now we know the facts behind the fiction. Understanding these myths helps us make smarter, more informed choices about what we eat. Have you fallen for any of these myths, or do you have a food fable of your own to share? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.